Hello बच्चों, let's see the question and the question says ortho hydrogen has lower energy and is more stable than para hydrogen. So आइए इस क्वेश्चन को समझते हैं. First of all, we have to discuss about the key concept of this question. And the key concept for this question is isomeric form, isomeric forms of dihydrogen. Dihydrogen. सो इस क्वेश्चन में सबसे पहले हमें समझना है कि कौन सा आइसोमरिक फॉर्म जो है उसको हम ऑर्थो हाइड्रोजन बोलते हैं और कौन से आइसोमरिक फॉर्म को पैरा हाइड्रोजन बोला जाता है. बेसिकली जब दो हाइड्रोजन एटम एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन करते हैं तो वो फॉर्मेशन करते हैं डाई हाइड्रोजन की. अब यहाँ पे जो डाई हाइड्रोजन है इसकी दो डिफरेंट आइसोमरिक फॉर्म होती है. वी कैन अंडरस्टूड इट बाई टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ देयर atoms. So we can consider it, this is our first atom and this is our second atom, and overall this is known as a hydrogen molecule. Now if the spin of electrons present into both of these atoms, or we can say that the nucleus which is present here, so we can consider it, this is our nucleus of the first hydrogen atom and this is the nucleus of second hydrogen atom which is present into the molecular form. If the spin of both of these nucleus will be similar, we can say that if both of these nuclei are rotating into the same direction, that means both of these are rotating in anti-clockwise direction, then it is known as orthohydrogen. It is orthohydrogen. Now in second case, if we can say that here this is our first hydrogen atom which is found into the molecular form, and this is the second hydrogen atom and it is also found into the molecular form in the form of hydrogen molecule. Now both of these hydrogens have their nuclei, like this one is the nuclei of the first hydrogen atom and this one is the nuclei of second hydrogen atom. If the spin of the nucleus are different, we can say that if these are rotating in different direction, let's say it will be rotating in anti-clockwise direction and the another one is rotating in clockwise direction. So if this condition is obtained, so we can say that this is our para-hydrogen molecule. This is the para-hydrogen. Para-hydrogen. Now we can say that the stability of orthohydrogen is more at higher temperature. At higher temperature, orthohydrogen is more stable and para-hydrogen is less stable at higher temperature. These are the situations at high temperature. High temperature. And reason for that, it is more stable because it have lower energy. Lower energy. Of para-hydrogen is due to its higher energy, or we can say that due to high energy. And which type of energy we are going to discuss here? We are going to discuss here about internal energy. Internal energy. Actually, at higher temperature, the rotational energy of orthohydrogen is lower, while at higher temperature the rotational energy of para-hydrogen is higher. That is why at room temperature, or we can say that at higher temperature, orthohydrogen is more stable than para-hydrogen due to its lower internal energy. So this is the concept of this question. I hope you understood it.